dear Ugandans, we have an opportunity to shape a better Uganda by putting nature on a recovery path.
As government, we place sustainability at the heart of all political and social systems, and we shall continue to ensure that every political and social system has sustainability of environment embedded, including the NDP 3. Nature is our life and our economic support system. Therefore, as Ugandans, we, together with government, must take environmental protection very seriously.
Many businesses rely on nature, not just for resources such as fish, timber, or meat, but also pollination in the agriculture sector and fresh air and clean water for a healthy workforce.
Let us transition to sustainable practices of agriculture, fishing, forestry, infrastructure and extractives for us to achieve clean water for all Ugandans, food for all Ugandans, diversity of life in the wild, stable climate, and human health and well-being. We can deliver this new deal for nature and people by working with all Ugandans who share their land with nature. Together, possible.